Good morning, dear students. Let's learn the next lesson, adverbs. We were learning parts of speech. I think you got a connection. Means we started with nouns and we were continuing with different parts of speech, nouns, adjectives, pronouns, etc. And when we studied adjectives, we learned articles, and after that we learned what are verbs. Okay, and related to verbs we were learning how to use these verbs, and for that we learned tenses. Again, we have learned in the previous lesson we learned active and passive voice, that is also related to verbs. Okay, and next parts of speech is adverbs. Okay, let's learn what are adverbs, when it is used, and what are the different types of adverbs in this lesson. When we learned adjectives, we came to know that adjectives modify a noun. I told you that adjectives are related to nouns and it modifies a noun or pronoun. But based on that, we cannot conclude adverbs as modifiers of verb only. Adverbs modify a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. That means it can be a modifier to a verb, sometimes to an adjective, and sometimes to another adverb. Okay, adverbs, it can be single words, sometimes phrases or clauses. And in order to form adverbs, usually we use ly. But all the words which are entered in ly are not adverbs. I told you that an adverb modifies a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Okay, look at these examples. My best friend drives carefully. Okay, and carefully is the adverb, and it shows how my friend drives. Okay, so it tells something about the verb. So here the function of this verb, adverb, is the modifier of a verb. The next sentence, my best friend is really good driver. See, one more adverb is used there, that is really. Okay, and good is an adjective, and this adverb modifies good, really good driver. Sometimes it modifies another adverb, my best friend drives very carefully. Carefully we already had seen, and here very qualifies carefully, so it modifies another adverb. So these three functions are there for adverb. Sometimes it will be functioning as a modifier to verb, or modifier to adjective, or modifier to an adverb. There are different types of adverbs, like adverb of manner, which tells how an action is done. So it answers the question how. Also adverb of place, it answers the question where. Time, it tells when, it answers the question when. Frequency, it shows how many times an action is done. Or how often, frequency answers the question how often. Another type of adverb is adverb of purpose or reason, it answers the question why. The next type of adverb is adverb of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent an action is done. Last type of adverbs are adverb of affirmation or negation, which says yes if it is yes, and no if it is no. Let's go into detail about adverb of manner. I told you it answers the question how an action happened. For example, she speaks loudly. Okay, and it tells you how she speaks. So she speaks how. If you ask the question how, you will get the answer loudly. So here loudly is used adverb of manner. He was driving slowly. It tells you about the manner of his driving. He was driving how, or how was he driving. For that you will get the answer slowly. Okay, again, you replied correctly. You replied how, or how did you reply. For that you will get the answer correctly. Next one is he runs fast. How does he run, or he runs how. For that you will get the answer fast. So here fast is used as an adverb of manner. They solved the problem easily. How did they solve? For that you will get the answer easily. Listen to me carefully. How should you listen? For that you will get the answer carefully. So adverb of manner tells how an action happened. See more examples here. The girls answered all the questions correctly. Okay, how did the girls answer? For that you will get the answer correctly. He was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. How did the plane land? Ramu plays guitar skillfully. How does Ramu plays the guitar? For that you will get the answer skillfully. So all these are used as adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner describes how an action happened or how it happens. The next type of adverbs are adverb of place. It answers the question where. The boys are playing upstairs. Where are the boys playing? For that what will you get the answer? Upstairs. So it answers the question where. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? In the garden. So it tells about the place. Again, we are going to New York City on our school trip. Where are you going? For that you will get the answer New York City. It's very sunny but cold outside. Okay, where is it cold? Outside. So adverb of place answers the question where. More examples. He will come here. Where will he come? For that you will get the answer here. The children are playing outside. Where are the children playing? Outside. He was standing near the wall. Where was he standing? Near the wall. So adverbs of place answers the question where an action happened or happens. And the words like here, there, near, somewhere, outside, ahead, on the top, all at some place. Okay, that means place name will be there for adverb of place. Adverb of time is the next type of adverb. And in order to mention the time, the words like now, then, soon, tomorrow, yesterday, today, tonight, again, early, yesterday, etc. will be used. I will buy a computer tomorrow. When will I buy a computer? For that you will get the answer tomorrow. So the adverb of time answers the question when. The guest came yesterday. When did the guest come? Answer is yesterday. Do it now. Okay, when should I do? Now. She is still waiting for her brother. Okay, so it answers the question when. When is she waiting still? He got up early in the morning. When did he wake up? For that you will get the answer early in the morning. Another type of adverbs are adverbs of frequency. It answers the question how often an action is done. For example, the children always go to school on the bus. How often the children goes to school on the bus? Answer is always. I will never make this mistake again. So when how often. For that you will get the answer never. I clean my bedroom every day. How often do you clean your bedroom? Every day is the answer. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. When does dad polishes how often does dad polish his shoes? For that you will get twice a week. So it answers the question how often. Another type of adverb is adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent an action happens. He was too careless. To what extent he is careless? Too careless. The sea is very stormy. Okay, in what degree the sea is stormy? Very stormy. I'm rather busy. Okay, it tells how much. I'm fully prepared. Okay, to what extent? These mangoes are almost ripe. How much? For how much it tells almost. Okay, so this type of adverbs tell you how much or in what degree or what extent an action happens. Another adverb is adverbs of reason. It tells the reason for an action. He is hence unable to refute the charge. Okay, that is the reason. Why? Why was he unable to refute? Hence, and means there will be many reasons already described, and after that, he is hence unable to refute. He therefore left the school. Okay, therefore is used here as an adverb of reason. Okay, and also we use because, for, etc. as adverb of reason. Here are some examples of all types of these adverbs. She sings sweetly. How does she sing? Quite clearly. And most of it answers how. Okay, all these are adverbs used in these sentences, which is given in the red letters. Children, we wind up the class here, but you have to understand what is the concept of adverbs. Adverb, what is the concept? Okay, it tells something about a verb, or sometimes about an adjective, or sometimes it can be telling about another adverb. Okay, and I have given you all the types of adverbs, so please listen the class carefully and do the exercise on page number 88, A, B exercise. Okay, and the rest will continue in the next week.